Next we discuss classical definition of probability. What is the definition? Let E be a random experiment such that its event space or sample space contains a finite number of event points, say n, which are known to be equally likely or mutually symmetrical. And full stop. Let A be an event connected with E contains m's event points. Then the probability of A denoted by P of A is defined by m by n. What is equally likely? What is equally likely? Equally likely means what is equally likely events? Equally likely events are these events which have an equally probability of occurring. Let us take an example. When we roll a die, then sample space contains 6 points. 1, 2, dot, dot, 6. Then the probability of getting 1 is denoted by P of 1 is equal to 1 by 6. Then the probability of getting 2 is P of 2 is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, P of 3 is equal to 1 by 6, P of 4 equal to 1 by 6, P of 5 equal to 1 by 6, P of 6 equal to 1 by 6. So, P of 1 equal to P of 2 equal to P of 3 dot dot P of 6 equal to 1 by 6. So, this is called equally likely event. Okay. Let another example. A die is thrown. We find the probability of the event odd phase as follows. Then this event space or sample space contains 6 points. 1, 2, dot, dot, 6. And the A denote the event odd phase, occurring odd phase. Then which contains 3 points. 1, 3, 5. Then probability of A is n of A by n. So 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Okay. We discuss another definition of probability, which is called axiomatic definition of probability. This definition, let E be a random experiment described by the event space S or sample space S. Let A be any event connected with a random experiment E. Then the probability of A is a number associated with A to be denoted by P of A. Satisfy the following conditions for our axioms. 1. P of A greater than equal to 0. Second, P of S equal to 1. If P of S equal to 1, then E is called certain event or sure event. Third, if A1, A2, dot dot An be finite or infinite sequence of pairwise mutually exclusive event, that is, there are no common member of two AI and AJ, of two event AI and AJ, where I not equal to J. Okay, then P of A1 plus A2 plus dot dot An equal to P of A1 plus P of A2 dot dot P of An. This is called axiomatic definition of probability. Okay.